Hey everyone, get our educational video out. I want to talk about why your hamstrings are always so tight even after you stretch them. So we're going a little more depth about what's really going on. What's happening is the nerves that are deep in your muscles, in your butt, and down through your hamstring are getting stuck, and your hamstrings are tightening up to protect that. So no amount of stretching will fix that. So people non-stop stretch their hamstrings, feels better for a little bit, but they're right back to where they start. So we wanted to give some education on that. So what we're looking at here is actually the sciatic nerve. This white area in here is the nerve, and then there's some muscles that are really deep into the butt, and this is peeling back the glute. So these tiny muscles in here are called your external rotators. And what happens is when we spend a lot of time sitting, which a majority of us do, it puts that nerve in a constant contraction and puts a lot of pressure there. Now the muscle and the nerve get stuck to each other. So what happens? When you sit for too long, the muscles get overworked, they don't get enough blood, and they don't get enough oxygen. When that happens, the body starts to lay down what's called adhesion. Adhesion is like glue that gets inside the muscle. And when it happens, it makes that muscle less flexible, which is bad enough. But the problem people are running into with tight hamstrings is this nerve gets stuck to the muscles deep in the butt. So it's almost as if someone's pinching you off here and that nerve is getting pulled, which presents with tight hamstrings or pain down the leg, are symptoms very similar to sciatica. So over time this builds up. So what happens is when you do a stretch on there, it temporarily allows that muscle to relax. When it relaxes, you do get this window of opportunity of improved range of motion, but it never lasts because that problem is in there. What we do in our clinic is we're experts at finding the adhesion, and we're able to get in there with our hands and actually break down all of this adhesion. What that does is it restores normal range of motion and flexibility back to the nerve, and then the hamstrings can relax so you don't have to spend all your time stretching your hamstrings. So if you're dealing with tight hamstrings, sciatica-like type pain, share this with people, tag yourself, ask us questions, because we're here to help, we're here to fix this and get rid of the tight hamstrings and get people functioning and moving better. Have a great day.